All right, so now you've created your class, but you need to create some assignments for your students to do. Some sort of task for them. And so, let me show you how to do that. Up here in the classwork section, up there, you're going to click on that. And this lists out all the assignments and these categories. So you'll notice I have them broken up into categories: getting started, lesson 1, create a class, and I need to create a new category. Now, I like to break them up this way. That way, and you might even have it by date. Say these are the items to do on this date, these are the items to do on this date, or you could have it be chapter 1 or however you want to do it. But if you have multiple things that go together, multiple assignments or resources or tasks that kind of go together, then you can create these things called topics. So each of these is a topic. I have a resource topic, a general Google website for setting up your Google Classroom if you just want to look at that yourself. And then it's getting started. Lesson 1, we're going to create lesson 2 today. So if I want to create a new topic, click the create button, the blue create button. Down at the bottom, you'll see topic. We'll come back to these up here. Click on topic, and I'm going to call this lesson 2, creating topics and assignments. Click add. Bam, we got now a new topic. So that's great. Now I'm going to put all my lesson 2 activities underneath this particular one. So again, I'm going to go up to create, and I want to create a new assignment. And this assignment that you're going to be doing is going to be called what assignment did you create? So just really basic question. I want you to give me the name of the assignment. And I also want you to give me the, I want you to include the name of the resource, the material that you posted. And I'll explain what that means in just a minute. All right, so what assignment did you create? We're going to click, we can click assign right now, but there are some things for us to do over here. So let's just pretend that I just click assign, and a couple things happen. Number 1, notice that it's not under lesson 2, which is kind of annoying. That's where I want it to be. It's up here at the top. This is the category of assignments that are not yet put into a category. You'll notice this one's grayed out. It's the worst assignment ever. Maybe I'll never use it because it's a horrible assignment. But you'll see there's a draft over here, and if I wanted to, I could edit this assignment from here. I could delete this assignment. Let's say, you know what, really, this worst assignment ever, I don't want to use it, so I'm just going to delete it. So I can get rid of that, and that one goes away. But this one, I want it to be down in this area over here. So I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to come over to the right side over here. And this gives me some options. First of all, I could decide to assign this only to one student, or I could assign it to all students, or I could assign it to a few students. Generally, it's going to be all students. This particular assignment is going to be worth 10 points. That's what I want it to be right there. I could make it ungraded, but I'm a mean teacher. I want you to get your work done, so I assume that you won't do any work unless it's graded, which is probably not true, but hey, that's just who I am. I'm going to make it due on Thursday, the 26th of March, and I'm not going to make a time on it. Just as long as you get in any time before the 26th, I'm good. And this is where I can choose the topic. So right now, no topic. That's where it showed up at the top. And instead, I want it to be in lesson 2. So it goes into lesson 2, and I could assign a rubric if I wanted to, but I'm not going to for right now. Click save, and I'm going to update this, change the point values, and now you'll see that instead of being up at the top, it's come down under lesson 2, creating topics and assignments. That's great. So that's how you create an assignment. Not too bad. And so that's all well and good, but there's a problem. Turning in assignments is not as easy as you might think. So I want to give you also a material source that helps you to understand how to turn in an assignment. So up here on the create button, I'm going to click create again. But instead of assignment, I'm going to come down here to material. And the material, all it is a placeholder for something. It could be a website, could be a video, could be a document that you've created, like a template or a worksheet or something like that. And this is called How to Turn in an Assignment. And I'm going to mark this as a video as well. You don't have to do that. I'm going to click add. And I posted this video that I made to YouTube, but you could also, it could be a link, it could be something from your Google Drive, it could be a file from your computer, but I'm going to get it from YouTube. It brings up this little search box. If you wanted to find a video on, let's say, moon phases, right? If you just typed in moon phases in search, this actually does a YouTube search for you. And you can say, hey, Crash Course Astronomy number 4. I wonder if this is any good. Oh, Astronomy in Space for Kids. That could be good. I wonder what that looks like. You can actually watch it right here and see. Wow, that sounded pretty elementary to me. That may not work for my middle school students, but who knows? Maybe it's okay. You can preview it right here and watch and decide if you actually want to use this video. But that's not what I want to use. I have a very specific one I already found. So I'm going to go to URL, and I'm going to go to my tab here. This is the assignment, turning in an assignment video that I created. I'm going to copy the URL from the top, come back to my Google Classroom, paste that URL in there, and now it shows up, turning in an assignment. This is the one, ice cream scoop problem. This is the one I made. Click the add button, and that turned that into a resource for my document now. Click post. Oh, right. And over here again on the right, it goes to all students. It goes into this class, and the topic is creating topics and assignments. Post that. Now, under this particular topic, I have two different things. I have a resource, our material resource, and I also have an assignment. So that's great. But I want this particular assignment to be moved down. You can actually click and drag and put it there. Just so that's you. So I can actually use this to just click and drag and move this up if I want to, or bring it down. So I can rearrange things if I want to there, or I can also use this move up, move down feature on the side here. Either one of those works. Let's see, what else do I want to do? Oh, I want to create one more material for you. And so I'm going to create material here, and this is how to create topics and assignments. All right, so how do you create topics and videos? I'm going to click add again. I'm going to click YouTube. But now I can't put in the URL here yet because I haven't finished this video. So once I finish this video, I'll post it, and then I'll put the URL in there so that you can access this assignment. So that's it for lesson 2. You're going to create an assignment in your class. You're going to make sure there's some sort of material resource for your students to use to help you with that, and really just more than anything, just to practice that. All right, so good luck with that. Get that turned in. Let me know if you've got questions. You can, again, email me, or you can put it in the class stream, and I'll be paying attention to that class stream. All right, take care, everybody, and I'll talk to you later.